Hey, I'm Julie Kalen, your voice of happiness. And I'm here today to give you a mini little fun happiness challenge. And that challenge is to share happiness with someone today because happiness is best when shared, and sharing is indeed happiness. So, how are you going to share happiness with someone today? Please write it in the comments. I want to hear all about it. And I know that everyone else watching this video is going to love hearing all about it too. There are probably a million different ways that we could share happiness in this world. And let's think of them all and put them in the comments so that everyone could benefit from them and enjoy them. And most importantly, use them to share happiness with others. I know after I'm done filming this YouTube video, I am going to be going to the park to share and spread happiness with others. And the way I'm going to do that is by sharing lots of smiles, saying hi to lots of people in my neighborhood, and just spreading the joy of being alive. And how else am I going to share happiness today? Well, I hope I am sharing happiness today by sharing lots of smiles on this YouTube video and sharing this YouTube video with you, challenging you to share as well. Spread the happiness and pay it forward. I am also going to be sharing lots of hugs with my family later. So those are just 3 examples of ways that I am sharing the happiness today. And I want you to share the happiness with someone else as well today. Not only will it make you feel amazing, but it is going to make someone else feel really wonderful as well. And it's going to be one big happy circle. And that's what we want, right? So, yes, and I definitely please comment. Like I said, want to hear all about what you're doing. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so to join the happy family and get more videos like this from me, as well as great music and other fun and inspiring content to bring you more happiness in your life. And to all of my wonderful YouTube subscribers, you are very much appreciated and awesome. And there you go. I just shared more happiness with you by giving you a well-deserved compliment straight from my heart. So thank you, thank you. Share the happiness. Please tell me how you're doing it. And until the next video, I am wishing you much happiness and joy. All right. See you soon. Bye.